Let's talk about Home Depot here. They reported earnings. Not so much interested in what the earnings numbers was. I'm more interested now that we got a full trading session behind us. What is the price action going forward? What do we need to be mindful of when it comes to Home Depot? Here's what we need to check out when it comes to Home Depot. Let's pull up this chart here. First off, you got this nice base breakout, double bottom pattern here. First bottom, let's just go ahead and draw it. First bottom. And then you got the second bottom right here. You got the breakout. It came back, retested the breakout level, not perfectly, but it did hold for the most part, and then it broke higher. Today you have the earnings. Essentially, yes, it's up 0.7%. Good day for it, especially considering the tape, but it's really a doji, indecisive candle. Not really sure where it wants to go going forward, but it did hold some technical support levels underneath, namely the 20-day moving average, which it's done a good job of recent months. So going forward, what are we looking for here? We have this major support level underneath. So that means any significant selling to the downside, watch this like 280, 81 level. And then you got resistance overhead. This is what kind of makes it a little bit more difficult. It's going to be a hard call to determine exactly where this resistance level is, but it could start anywhere from about 334 up to about 347. So it's a broad range, but kind of right there in the middle, this is where I'm watching the closest here, is this 340 mark. Does it push through that 340 mark? And if it does, it sets up for a much bigger upside move. It needs to get through that resistance. Then it starts to challenge perhaps the all-time highs eventually over the course of the next 6 to 12 months perhaps. That goes back to the late 2021 price action where it was in the lower 400s. So Home Depot is not a bad chart, but it needs to break out of this resistance here. Short-term pullbacks here, you could see a pullback down to this 305 level if market weakness continues. A significant breakdown, then you got this huge purple support level underneath. That's what you really want to be watching there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like more swing trading tips and analysis of your favorite stocks. Thank you guys, and God bless.